what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my son Jason. Say hello.
Hi.
My name is Joanne Marie. In case you are new here, hello. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below so you never miss out on another video. Okay. We're gonna be doing Valentine popcorn. Super easy to make. It took less than 10 minutes to put together, and I'll be showing you step by step. So if you want to know how to make this Valentine popcorn, just keep watching this video. Okay guys, let's get started. What you're gonna need is a baking tray, popcorn, M&Ms. Now they can be the peanut or the regular kind. Some wait, hold on, let's start that over. What you're gonna need is some popcorn, M&Ms. It could be the peanut M&Ms or regular M&Ms. Sprinkles of your choice. A lot of these items that I did get from Target. I got these bags here. These little bags, they're not bags, they're boxes. Or you can do little gift bags that whatever you find on hand that you like and want to use. Some candy melts, which I picked up on Amazon, but they also have them at Target, Walmart. You're gonna need a bowl and some conversation hearts. All right, let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we're going to microwave the popcorn. So I'm gonna get that going right now, and I'll be back. However, your standard way that you microwave a popcorn. You can use plain popcorn, but I find like with the butter flavor, when you mix it with the sweets, it still tastes yummy. All right, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna microwave the popcorn. I just microwaved the popcorn, about 2 minutes. It smells so good. I open it up to start, and my little helper, Jason.
Hi.
Go ahead and pour. I want you to pour it into the bowl.
What bowl?
Pour it into here.
All of it?
Pour it all. Yep. As much fits in there. Awesome.
I want to eat one.
My little helper poured it into a bowl.
I think that's enough.
And then what we're gonna do next is melt the candy melt. It's a super simple, cute gift, homemade, that you can give to your teacher. We're actually gonna give it to his kindergarten teacher. And I'm also gonna give it to as well. You can give it to anybody as a sweet treat for Valentine's, made with a lot of love. So before we eat all this popcorn, show everyone your shirt. Show everyone your shirt. It says, kisses, 25 cents. I'm saving for college. Okay, so then the next thing we're gonna do is get the candy melts. And we're gonna pour it into a microwave safe bowl. And
stir it.
We have to microwave it for about 30-second intervals. And you just stir it. You don't want to just leave it on for a minute or so or nothing. It will dry it out. So you want to pour a little bit. Go ahead and pour a little bit in there.
You should tell me when to stop.
Keep going. I chose pink color. You can use whatever candy melt color you want. White. I chose pink for Valentine's. You can use red. Red will be good. Alright, that should be good. We used about half a bag. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for 30-second intervals and then I'm gonna stir it with I use a silicone spatula.
I'm doing it.
You will stir it, and I'll be right back. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo! All right, we're back. I went ahead and microwaved the chocolate. I did about probably 2 minutes in total, 30-second intervals. You don't want to go 2 minutes all the way. You want every 30 seconds. Put it out, then give it a stir. So go ahead and give it a stir. I can't talk. I swear I can't. Oops. Stir it up. Hey. Hey. Okay, you're gonna pour it. Can you just pour it over the popcorn and we're gonna mix it up?
But how? How am I gonna pour it? Where am I gonna put this?
I can take that.
Put it in the part that you really want it to be.
Pour it all over the popcorn. All over.
Mmm, so good. It looks so good. Looks like I want to eat it.
This is delicious Valentine
You're not, I'm not mixing it.
popcorn.
You're just gonna mix it. I'm not mixing it.
You don't want to mix it?
No, I don't want to get my hands dirty.
Well, I'm gonna see if I could just use a spatula and mix it up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna mix it up, and then we're going to lay it over a baking sheet. Spread it out over a baking sheet.
But am I gonna put it on the baking sheet or are you?
So it can dry.
Are you or I?
You can, baby. You can help me. So I'm just stirring. You can see here.
My 2 popcorns just fell out with nothing on it.
Just go for it, baby.
Yeah.
The door somebody might knock, and the dog's going to bark.
So.
Rox is in the background. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to taste it. Yummy. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna take a baking sheet. I'm telling you guys, this is really simple and really cute. And go ahead and pour it over, because I'm gonna spread it out. Pour it over everything, pour it all over the pan. There you go. Then you're gonna spread it out.
Yeah, because you know you always have to spread it out so you can get more room. Right?
Spread it out. And you want to kind of work fast because you don't want it to dry up. 1 second, let me wash my hands. So, it's so good.
Yeah, it's good.
You're gonna take your conversation heart.
I'm gonna put it on.
You're just gonna grab some, Jason, and I want you to pour it over the popcorn. And I'm gonna take some sprinkles. Take some sprinkles and pour it over the popcorn. Keep going, baby. It's really simple and so fun. Oh, and so cute. Oh, you're kind of dropping them. Baby, don't grab so many because what's happening is they're falling on the floor. So, okay, let me have it really fast. So I'm adding I'm adding the sprinkles in, and then we're gonna do the M&Ms.
This?
M&Ms here. I'm using regular M&Ms. Grab a little bit. Grab some. And pour it over. Pour it all over. And because with the chocolate still sticky, it'll stick. Pour it over. How fun is this? Okay, one more handful and that's good. And then we're just gonna mix it up a little bit so we get everything in and everything's gonna stick.
Ooh, this is gonna be a fun activity.
Everything sticks together.
The M&Ms are kind of going to the ground. I don't really see none on top.
And oh my gosh, that's it, my friends. That's all you do. The popcorn tastes amazing. What we're gonna do is grab whatever container, whatever box that you want to put it in as a gift.
I'm putting it.
I chose these, found them at Target. Has a window in it. It's so cute.
Wait, it's not really a window. I think you showed me. Wait, is it?
We're going to add.
I'm gonna put the popcorn in, but how?
I'm just kind of getting the indent things. See how this works here. Oh, that works like that. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and add. I need to get a little scoop. Grab your spoon. Put this away. Grab your container. And we're going to add it in there.
Oh, okay. I wanted to put it in.
Add your popcorn in. And all your yumminess. Add everything in. so awesome.
Yeah, it's so awesome.
Super awesome, super simple. I'm gonna take this container here.
My insurance is gonna love it.
She is going to. And voila! Simple Valentine homemade popcorn treat for your friends, family, co-workers, your boss, your teachers, your children. This is an amazing idea. They're also, I found these for $2. If you wanted to make it a huge batch for kids at a kid's Valentine classroom party, I found these at Target, and it says to from on it, and I saw these and I thought this would be perfect to add popcorn in it as well and give that out. And that's it. That is it. This is the finished product. Lovely, yummy, Valentine themed popcorn. You see all that yumminess in there? So delicious, so easy to make. Yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Oh my goodness. So good. So yummy. So delicious. I can't stop eating it. I don't think I'm gonna stop. The sweetness with the saltiness and the butteriness of the popcorn. Woo! So good. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you watching this video. I hope that you can, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you in another video. Catch me in another video.
You know what to do, stay awesome.
You know what to do, stay awesome. Bye.
Bye.